So what is the LinkedIn lead gen and with AI course then? What's it all about? What do you get? Let's dive into it now. So what's it all about then and why learn from me? So I've been working in financial services, mainly mortgage brokers, protection brokers, IFAs for the past kind of 5 years or so now. And I've helped them scale, a lot of them to 6 figures, some of them to 7. And I've scaled my own business very quickly in a short space of time to 6 figures. So yeah, I invest about 20K a year on courses myself to upskill myself. My goal at the end of the day is similar to you guys. I want to be able to generate leads, and I'm constantly looking at the best ways to do that in terms of the least amount of time commitment and the least amount of capital investment. And this, up to now, is the best way. I used to spend £2,000 or £3,000 a month every month on Facebook ads to get a similar result to what I get through this LinkedIn strategy now. So up to now, this is the best way. In years' time, it might be another strategy, but for now, this is the best. But the beauty of this course is that it's an evergreen program, and the fact that, like I say, I'm always finding new ways to generate my own leads. So all this information I'm learning is being synthesized. Once I've nailed it for myself, it's being introduced into the course. So it's constantly evolving, and we've got an evergreen program in that sense that it's constantly evolving. I'm always adding to it. So yeah, it's constantly being, every 3 to 6 months, there's going to be new courses added to this, and yeah, any additional cost. So the goal then is to generate at least one qualified appointment within 30 days. That's not just any appointment, it's high value stuff. We're not going for the average, like what you'd expect to get normally when you're just relying on outside sources, like just taking on referrals, either professional referrals or friends and family. All those kind of methods, for me, they just lack control of, one, the customer types that you're generating, and 2, the customer values that you're generating. So rather than working hard on many different customer profiles, we're just going for one key customer profile that's going to be profitable, which is just enable you to work less and earn more, which is my whole kind of business ethos is that, to work less and earn more. And that kind of, all this stuff that's coming out now, all this AI stuff, all this digital marketing stuff just perfectly encapsulates that, which, yeah, it just makes things so much more streamlined and efficient. So yeah, so the goal is, like I say, to help you generate at least one qualified high value appointment within the first 30 days. So how we do that, what you get included then is an in-depth training platform. So video modules, short, snappy, bite-sized modules of me taking you step-by-step through the strategy. Like I said before, it's evergreen, so it's ongoing learning. You can also access this community that we're growing of industry peers. It's a beautiful thing to be able to have a community of people in the same industry to bounce ideas off and get support from, because entrepreneurship and owning a business can be a lonely place. So it's nice to have, like I say, people to bounce ideas off. Like I said before, short, bite-sized modules, and a lot of this stuff, I'm obsessed with all this AI stuff at the minute. So all this stuff I'm learning is going into this. Again, just makes things so much more time efficient. And I've really spent a lot of time on engineering these really powerful ChatGPT prompts that you'll get access to. So who's it for? So it's for mortgage protection businesses or IFAs generally in financial services, either just starting out or existing firms or advisors who have been in the game for years, who just want to put themselves in front of the right people and find the right people. Because it's one thing knowing who the right people are, it's another thing actually putting yourself in front of them and finding these people. So the offer then is that you get thousands of pounds worth of for literally, today's price is £100 a month. The price will be going up, but this is an introductory price. There's no risk. You can get there's a 100% guarantee on it. So you can get your money back within 40 days. If you don't like it, if it's not for you, just send me a message. There's no questions asked. I'll send you the money back. So there's no risk from your end. If you're consistent on this, then you will get results. I guarantee that. If you put this stuff into action and you work on it steadily and consistently, which most people are just not willing to do that work, but when you are, you will get results from this. So it's about focusing on the inputs rather than the outputs, and just focusing on the day-to-day tasks rather than the actual outputs. So what's inside them? So let's have a look at the modules. So this is the platform that we house all the content on, and the community group. I'll show you the community group in a sec. So there's different sections in here. So this is the first section, which is about define and deep selling. So we help you define a really profitable niche. And then after that, as you can see here, there's a video module. This one's 15 minutes. That's the longest module. It tells you the learning objectives, the content, and there's an action there. That's, like I say, 15 minutes. You go on to the next module. This one is ChatGPT for strategic market positioning. So we use this really powerful ChatGPT prompt to basically give you some suggestions in terms of a profitable niche that ticks the boxes. It's got to be profitable. It's got to be a niche that we can easily identify online. Can't be a shrinking market. It's got to be a growing market. And there's got to be a real innate need and desire for the service that you offer. That gives us some ideas, and then we keep prompting that. There's different ones for IFA. There's one for business protection, one for mortgage brokers. And then we get it to build an avatar, which is like a customer profile. And then we go on to the next module. Like I say, that one's literally 6 minutes. I think it's basically a talking head of me talking you through these steps. And then we go to the next one about creating an offer. Again, we use ChatGPT to basically, an offer is just a succinct way of just articulating what you do and who it is you help in a short, snappy, articulate way, which they can easily understand. And then we go on to connect, which is the second module. So it's broken down. So first is define and deep selling. Then we're connecting. We use LinkedIn for this, obviously, and we're going to profile optimization, turning the LinkedIn profile into a landing page, effectively, which is all talking directly to your ideal client and around their psychology and their pain points and their desires, which is each different market. There's that psychological kind of mindset, if you like, is different. So it's about tapping into that. And then we go on to Sales Navigator. The benefits of that. Then we go into outreach, which is the next section. And then quality content. Again, how to produce content. Again, where you get ChatGPT to help with that. And then we also show you a bit about the CRM that we use, where we can integrate all these contacts into the CRM so we can email them and send text messages. So that's the basic kind of core of the course content. And then the other side of it is this community aspect. When people collaborate and posting questions, if you're stuck with things, you can post questions in there. Stuff that's not directly related to the course, fine to post stuff about that, just what you're up to, struggles you're facing, and you'll get other people chipping. There's people like Amanda in here who's done really well out of the strategy. She does high net worth financial investment professionals. And yeah, as an example, she's got 8.5 mil of open appointments, open inquiries through LinkedIn currently, and got 1.6 million to submit tomorrow, with 2.5 due to complete shortly. So she's done really well out of this strategy. Some people generate leads literally within 24 hours of appointments, and even clients pretty much straight away from setting this on. Others, it can take longer, but yeah, it's very possible to get results from this very, very quick. And like I say, these modules are very short and snappy, so you can literally get through that first section in a couple of hours. So yeah, that's the basics of what it's included. So if anyone's interested, press the button below, sign up. You can even arrange a one-on-one strategy call with myself, like an onboarding strategy, where we'll just find out your objectives really and find out what you need to get you to where you need to be, and yeah, just give you some housekeeping and stuff. So you can arrange. That's free for or paying member. And then yeah, like I said, if anybody's interested, press the button below, put in your card details, you get instant access, book an onboarding call with me, and yeah, I'll look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thank you.